Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of it all? The twinkling stars, the distant galaxies, and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our reach? Are there others out there looking back at us? Do they have the same questions, the same curiosity about the universe? The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders that we are only beginning to understand. From the swirling galaxies to the enigmatic black holes, every corner of the cosmos holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Billions of stars, even more planets, each one a potential cradle for life, each one a possible home for beings we have yet to meet. Could it be that Earth is the only place with life? Or are we just one of many civilizations scattered across the universe, each one unique and extraordinary in its own way? For centuries, humans have wondered about aliens. Ancient civilizations have left behind clues in their art and writings, hinting at encounters with beings from the stars. We've imagined them visiting us, maybe even living among us. Our stories and myths are filled with tales of extraterrestrial visitors, some benevolent, others malevolent, but the real question is, could life exist elsewhere in the universe even if it's not quite like us? Life that thrives in conditions we would find inhospitable, life that has evolved in ways we can barely imagine. The search for alien life is one of the most exciting adventures in science. Scientists around the world are using advanced technology to scan the skies, analyze distant planets, and look for signs of life. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest to answer one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone? This quest drives us to explore, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, and to dream of what might be out there. Let's explore the universe and see what we can find. Who knows what discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space? The answers to our questions might be closer than we think, or they might be light years away. But one thing is certain: the journey will be an adventure like no other. When we think of aliens, we often picture little green men. These iconic images have been popularized by countless movies, TV shows, and books. They have become a staple of our imagination, representing the unknown and the mysterious. But alien life could be very different. It might not resemble anything we've ever seen before. The universe is vast and varied, and life could take on forms that are beyond our wildest dreams. It might be microscopic, hidden in the ice of a distant moon. These tiny organisms could survive in extreme conditions, thriving in environments that would be inhospitable to life as we know it. Imagine discovering a whole ecosystem of microbes beneath the icy crust of Europa or Enceladus. Or maybe it's a giant creature swimming in a methane sea. Such a being would have to adapt to an environment completely different from Earth's oceans. It might have unique biological features that allow it to thrive in liquid methane, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life. Life on other planets might not be like life on Earth. The conditions on these planets could be vastly different, leading to the evolution of life forms that are unlike anything we've ever encountered. From scorching deserts to frozen wastelands, the diversity of planetary environments could give rise to a multitude of alien species. It might have evolved in completely different ways. Evolution is a powerful force capable of producing an astonishing variety of life forms. On other planets, evolution could take paths that are unimaginable to us, resulting in creatures with extraordinary abilities and characteristics. For example, on a planet with very little sunlight, plants might be black to absorb as much energy as possible. The possibilities are endless. These plants could have evolved unique mechanisms to capture and utilize the scarce light, demonstrating the incredible ingenuity of life in adapting to its environment. And that's what makes the search for alien life so thrilling. The unknown beckons us, driving our curiosity and our desire to explore. Scientists use advanced technology to scan the skies and analyze distant worlds, hoping to find signs of life. We don't know what we'll find, but we're always looking, always hoping to make a discovery that will change our understanding of the universe. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? The search for alien life is a journey of endless possibilities and boundless excitement. Our solar system is a good place to start looking for aliens. With its diverse range of planets and moons, each with unique characteristics, it offers a variety of environments where life might exist. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy realms of the outer planets, the possibilities are endless. There are several places where scientists think life might exist. These locations are not just random. They have been carefully selected based on specific criteria that make them potential habitats for life. Factors such as the presence of water, the right chemical ingredients, and energy sources are crucial in this search. One is Mars, our red neighbor. Mars has always fascinated scientists and the public alike. Its surface, marked by vast canyons, towering volcanoes and polar ice caps, tells a story of a planet that was once very different from the cold, dry world we see today. Mars was once a much warmer and wetter place than it is now. Evidence suggests that rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans existed on its surface. This ancient Mars could have had the right conditions to support microbial life. Could there have been life on Mars billions of years ago? Scientists are exploring this question by studying Martian rocks and soil, searching for signs of past life. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are on the front lines of this investigation, drilling into the surface and analyzing samples. Another promising candidate is Europa, a moon of Jupiter. Europa is slightly smaller than our moon, but it holds a big secret beneath its icy crust. Europa has a smooth, icy surface. This ice is constantly being reshaped by the gravitational forces exerted by Jupiter, creating cracks and ridges. But scientists believe that beneath the ice, there's a vast ocean of water. This ocean could be kept liquid by the heat generated from tidal forces. If this is true, Europa's ocean might be one of the largest reservoirs of water in the solar system. Could there be creatures swimming in that ocean, hidden from our view? The idea is tantalizing. Life as we know it thrives in Earth's oceans, even in the most extreme environments. Hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, for example, teem with life despite the lack of sunlight. And then there's Titan, a moon of Saturn. Titan is unique in many ways. It's the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere, and it has weather patterns and surface liquids. Titan has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. These lakes and rivers of methane and ethane create a landscape that is both alien and strangely familiar. It's a very different environment from Earth. The surface temperature is incredibly cold, and the chemistry is unlike anything we see here. Yet, some scientists believe that life could exist in these methane lakes, using a completely different biochemistry. But even in this strange world, there could be forms of life that have adapted to the unique conditions. The search for life on Titan involves studying its atmosphere and surface in detail, looking for any signs of biological activity. The mysteries of Mars, Europa, and Titan continue to captivate us, driving our quest to find out if we are truly alone in the universe. Scientists use many tools and methods to search for alien life. One of the most important is the telescope. Telescopes allow us to see distant objects in space, including planets orbiting other stars. We also send spacecraft to other planets and moons. These spacecraft can take pictures, collect samples, and even search for signs of life. For example, the Curiosity rover is currently exploring the surface of Mars, looking for evidence that life may have existed there in the past. Scientists are also listening for radio signals from other civilizations. Radio waves can travel vast distances through space. If there is intelligent life out there, they might be trying to contact us using radio signals.